Hey, this is Andrew, and I'm testing out recording live out of PowerPoint directly to video. I did not even know that this thing was a thing. I don't even know how this works. Is my microphone on? Is my camera on? Am I going to be that teacher who doesn't know how to use the technology? So I'm experimenting this year with a flipped classroom, and so I'm going to provide some content to my students via video, which they'll to be watching at home, and then our classroom time will be devoted to working out the problems that we're doing. So I'm just practicing. A colleague told me that I could do this with PowerPoint, that there was actually a recording studio within PowerPoint. So I'm testing that out right now, and I'm hoping that it works. So it's Andrew. It's summer, and COVID-19, and we're still going to have a semester anyway. I'm so excited and so terrified at the same time.